Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have almost done with the modeling of this particular restaurant interior over here. So few things are left, we'll be completing it. So now I'll go over here. I'll just take a line over here. So let's take a line from here. And now I'm going to create this kind of lights over here with the help of line tool. So let's just click this. Alright, so once you're done, I can slightly shuffle this down, and we have a modifier. That's a lathe modifier. So let's assign a lathe modifier and set it as max over here. Go into the vertices, select this. So slightly I can push this down and give fillet over here. So select this, right click, refine it. Alright, select this line, again go over here, rendering, enabling viewport, again go over here, slightly just push this up over here, select this, and over here I'll again take a box right from the top view over here. Let's create a box and slightly just shuffle this up. Shuffle this up, shift this till here. So select this and let's give a shell modifier. So shell will make it a bit thicker, and I'll reduce its slightly an outer amount. Save the file once and let's just duplicate it. Now I can again go over here, so we have lights also, something like this that can be created. Take again a box over here, I'll activate this auto grid over here. Take a box, so I'll just keep this till here. So we can start off with the texturing part. So very first of all, let's go into rendering, render setup. I'll activate this V-Ray over here. So soon I'll be coming with Corona render videos also. So let's go over here. Let's start with this table first. So I'll again go into this material editor. So let's take a V-Ray material. I'll go into the material editor and I'll take a V-Ray material and let's rename it as table over here. So I'll just rename it as table. Let's go into the diffuse, go into this, go into the bitmap. Let's go into this, and I have a texture already. I'll just take this texture over here and I'll assign it. Looks much better. Again, go into the material and slightly I'll give a bit of reflection. Give a UVW map. Set it as a box. So let's just assign this same over here. And let's give again a UVW map, set it as a box, assign a UVW map. Alright. So now what I'll be doing over here, so select this, let's again go into this, let's take a V-Ray material, I'll assign a black color, let's go into the reflection, go into this Fresnel IOR, I'll increase this values, I'll slightly just reduce it, reduce the reflection, and let's assign this, name it as metal. So let's assign this all the same metal. Give the max depth as 8 over here. Let's zoom this. Let's ungroup this because we have already grouped it. So for this, I'll again go into this and I'll assign this wood texture. Again I'll go into this and I'll give a UVW map and I'll just fit this. Okay. Select this. So it looks like more of a fabric or leather. For that, let's shuffle this more towards black. over here, give a bit of reflection, and max depth I'll keep it as 8 over here. Glossiness, I'll give a bit glossiness from here directly. I'll assign it. So now select this. So we have to ungroup this. Again I'll select this. You can go into this and we have a metalness option. I can slightly add a bit of metalness if required. So for this we'll be assigning the same shader, that's your metal part. So save your file once again. So I can just duplicate it. I won't apply to this all again. So I'll just go over here and I'll group it. I'll shift and drag this. Let's go to the top view. Duplicate it in this way. Select this. Duplicate it. Shift and drag this. Again shift and drag this. So we are doing the duplicates, we are making the copies of it. I'll just shift and drag it. So let's keep on duplicating it. Alright. So we'll be doing the same over here also. So I'll just select this, I'll delete it, I'll take one copy of it. Shift and drag this and make multiple copies over here. So as many copies are required, you can just make the n number of copies. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.